Again guys, this time we're in Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree. What you know about Halfway Tree? What you all know about Halfway Tree? I'm not going to sing that song because I'm not the best singer. So we're here with this lovely lady dropping off our package and she holds like it's a prize. You know them prize there? I don't know. It was sent by a very close friend of hers. She's not yet a member, but we're going to bring her over to the good side so she can reap the good benefits. And all she's doing is smiling behind that. All she did is smile. You're camera shy. Alright, so tell me something quick then. What do you want to say about us? You like the service?
Yes, it's the best service that I have ever dealt with.
You like the delivery?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's very good.
What else you like?
The service and the person.
You hear? And the persons. Why she said like she like you want Fabian. No, it's me alone. But anyway, we're not going to keep you. And because I know you rush out just to receive your package, and I almost want to hug you, but I'm not going to hug you. I'm going to say thanks so much. Have a good one. I almost want to hug this customer. This customer is nice. Very nice. And we're nice to all our customers. And they're nice to us too. That is why we do what we do. Peace out.